Hello. Accesses the registers directly, as you know, when you process data in between the registers, it doesn't actually involve memory, so it's actually super fast. There isn't a lot of registers available in terms of capacity, but it is the fastest on your computer in terms of storage. So the general format is like this: you use the move command, the mod command, so that moves something into one of the registers. So this is moving the for is the write command. So this is just saying get ready for some sort of write. Then the EBX is again some sort of status, and we are transferring one into the EBX register. And so no matter what we do here, it will always have the correct level. So let me do that. And then afterwards, after every single thing, you should always call the kernel with an exit code of 0, which means no errors. Whereas when you